Hello everyone, I just want to share about my experience Uber driver here in Minnesota. Here in Minnesota, Uber driver driving Uber, it's good. You could make a lot of money. You do it full time, like 10 hours every day, 300 to $350. It's easy, I think compared to the other state, here in Minnesota is good because of the not much transportation here. It's not like New York. There's a subway in there, but here in Minnesota is not much taxi. The bus, and then if you ride a bus, you're waiting a lot of time. That's why people use a lot of Uber and Lyft. But you need to have a lot of patience. Some riders, especially at night time, it's a lot of people drunk, but they just sit behind the car and then they don't talk. But sometimes they talk and talk and talk. Just ride with them. So far I don't have a really bad experience about some of my riders. They are all good. Then most of the time they will give you a tip. That's a good thing. Yeah, but I like it, especially when you love driving. Uber or Lyft is for you. Alright guys, thank you very much. That's all for today and tonight.